to unload all these pieces, 2 pieces at a time on the cart. Take them inside to the assembly room.
Grab the wheel. No. If me and Jeff, yeah, we'll leave one of these beams here. Yeah. What about that? That ain't gonna happen. No, we'll leave one car. Oh.
Oh wow. Ah. Ah.
A couple inches, but just go a little bit.
Just that pin in the middle. Not break that pin. That's the whole door
No piggybacking.
All in Washington.
Dun, 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 dun.
The post and beam races.
We need to tonight, we could just had to be here. I mean, we had to move heaven and earth to get clearance. Big beams coming through this end panel, coming through TSA. Won't get through any doors big enough, so had to be tonight, 12 o'clock. Well, it is 12:45. We've been unloading traffic cones. Working in the public space like this with all this traffic, it's a whole nother animal. It's quite a deal. Good stuff, good, a lot of fun. Well, you can see the seating, the beams have been taped off. Some of the tape has come off of the beams. This is kind of a more complicated project, getting the seating beams out. It's a lot smaller. This big beam right here, that's gonna mimic everything about Timberline Lodge. It's robust, big, same kind of joinery, same angles, beautiful. It's gonna be a lot of fun to put up. Why don't we push this cart in first, Bert?
I haven't seen Casey in a while.
There's literally at this point down here, a ½ inch on each side. Okay? That means when we go through that radar thing right there, that scanner, we we gotta be dead nut straight. So what I wanna do is I wanna get this thing perfectly straight, with the wheels perfectly straight before we start going through. I do not want to try swinging that in when we're in there,
So
okay?
let's get it there, and then we gotta align this parts a little bit too.
What do I need to do as far as... Okay, so hold on 1 minute.